everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the adding comment section in the SPA, that is the Smart Process Automation, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of SPA in Bitrix 24. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. For adding a comment in particular SPA, first we click on this particular SPA. In this SPA, in the right hand side, we will get one option, that is the comment option. From this particular comment, suppose if you have added suppose if you have communicate anything with the client, and for that suppose you need to add the comment, you can add the comment over here. Bitrix 24 demonstration, for example, I have added this comment. And for example, suppose the client gives you any document related to this or any file or folder, so you can add that file over here from your drive, and you can attach that file from your drive itself. So once I click on send, I will be able to see my comment over here. Suppose I need to edit this comment, so I will be able to again edit that comment with the help of this pencil. Or suppose I want to pin that comment, so I will be able to pin this comment at the top. So whenever I open this particular SPA, I will be able to see this comment at the top only. So this is how you can add the comment in the Bitrix 24 SPA section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.